मेरी जान, मैं हूँ आपकी नॉन स्टॉप निकी और आज मैं बिल्कुल वाइब करने लगी हूँ क्योंकि जब से मुझे पता चला है कि मेरे साथ आज बॉलीवुड के किस्से में मौजूद होगी एक ऐसी प्यारी सी हसीना जो बिल्कुल मुझे कह चुकी कि मैं उनकी कैफीन हूँ। आई हैव विद मी नचानिया। इनके नाम में ही एक ऐसा रिदम है कि मुझे लगता है इनकी मम्मी पापा ने बचपन में ही सोच लिया था कि ये बड़ी होकर उनका नाम रोशन करेगी एंड शी हरसेल्फ इज अ सुपर क्यूट और दो चश्मिश आपके दिल को जीतने वाले हैं। फर्स्ट हाई फाइव ऑन द work you have been doing on the
Thank
सच्ची
you.
बता रही
It's so nice to be here.
That's a flaw. Already जो प्यार की बात है ना, it is coming out very honestly and I have to be touchwood and pinch you. How are you doing this magic? Yeah, my first question is that. इतना सारा कमाल, मैं बोल सकती हूँ छोटी सी उम्र में भी. How are you doing it? How did it all begin? शुरू से शुरू करते हैं, चलिए.
When I was 15, I picked up the guitar और मैंने मेरी पहली गाना लिखी.
House. Boyfriend के लिए था heartbreak.
Heartbreak. It was heartbreak. But now I'm so happy the heartbreak happened, you know, like, but I was so heartbroken. I remember I just picked up the guitar and I started just singing and I wrote a song. And it just like came out. And it was called All Over Again, I remember.
Wow, I love your liner. Like you all, I think वो गाना जो caffeine वाला line है ना, एक में गाना बनना चाहिए. Next.
Then, like, even then I was like so dramatic, you know, and then I was like, oh my God, like, I finished the song and I was like, this is what I want to do for the rest of my life. I knew, like,
you had the clarity.
it was just after the feeling I got after writing a song. It's like this high that's unlike, and I still get it every time I write a good song. Like, I'm proud of it. I'm like, oh, like, I could like just bottle up that feeling.
But how is a writer's life? What is this? Like, no, writer's life करता क्या है? बाथरूम में होता है तब लिख लेता है टिश्यू पेपर में, फोन पे लिख लेता है.
Like it's not that you're writing the full song, but your mind is always on.
Oh, interesting.
So like you might say something and then I'll take a word. I was like, oh, I like okay, like I wrote a song. I'll tell you like which the song is not out yet. I know, but I wrote the song called Lachak. And I was watching Rocky and Rani, and in the movie Ranveer was saying something, and he said something Lachak, and I was like, oh, I like the phonetic, Lachak. So then I ended up just going and I wrote a song called Lachak.
Wow, can't wait to hear it. Genuinely.
So you kind of just get inspired by everything. Like someone might be saying something, your own life, you know, like, so I feel like even when you're in the shower, you get the best thoughts, the best ideas.
Unfiltered.
Unfiltered, yeah.
Amazing.
So you just like write I have like a note on my phone where I just write words, concepts, everything. So it is like that. But yeah, like I wrote my song. I was like, this is what I want to do. And I was like a very creative child. I failed all studying. Like,
okay.
Yeah. Because I just didn't like doing it. But I love, like, I would be like, I want to be a fashion designer. I want to be a Bollywood dancer. I want to do ballet.
So you have like 10 fingers, 10 dreams.
Yeah.
I used to do that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Amazing.
So then, like, when I said I wanted to do music, my parents were like, but like, are you sure? You know, because you keep changing your mind.
Yeah.
So then for 2 years, I convinced them. I did like everything music possible in Bombay. Like Trinity College exams. I went to learn guitar. I went to learn piano. I was doing drama, like anything that I could do.
Wow.
And then I even joined a Christian choir because they were singing English music.
So are into choir, but I think
no, it was just the only thing that was there.
Okay, but
and I was like, I'll do it because they were singing, and I was like, okay, I'm down. So I did it, and then
happened.
Then LA. So I went to college, and I loved it, and did my graduate there, and then I didn't get my visa. So so I had to come back. But that was, as everything, a blessing in disguise. And I got into Bollywood. And
yes, we come to that right now. Show us Bollywood ke kisse, and how can I not ask you? Kaisa tha wo, you know, you've done brilliant collabs. The names can come, tuck. King is there, Armaan Malik is there. You name it, and you've just worked out. And Afterlife, ka Armaan Meri Jaan, matlab such brilliant. Whatever you have done so far, everything is so catchy and it just wins people's heart. So, wo kissa kuch hua tha? Like, how was it? Like, you reached out to them or did they reach out to you?
So, for that song in particular, they had reached out to me because Maan Meri Jaan was doing so well.
Yeah.
And they were like, we want to have an international version.
In Tunis?
Yeah. And so we wrote it, and Nick loved it, and it just all happened. And King,
So you have
King
met-
loved it, and yeah, and it was. And then we actually came to Mumbai that month, and we ended up working on King's album that same month. So that was like amazing. And then Nick had come and performed with him at the festival.
Yes.
And-
So did Natanya meet Nick Jonas?
No, I haven't met him in person yet. But maybe soon. Maybe soon.
Manifestation?
Yeah.
Making this the come.
Yeah.
Of course, yes. And of course, Armaan Malik, again, his kind of genre of music and the way you are bringing that flavor in. So Armaan ke saath, I've also interviewed him and I really find him extremely sweet. Yeah.
He's one of my best friends.
Best friend?
Yeah, he's.
I've got my thumbnail ka line. Natanya's best friend, Armaan Malik. So tell me very honestly, जब स्टूडियो का माहौल कैसा होता है? Like, you know, जब एक आर्टिस्ट बैठा है, आप बैठे हो,
हाँ.
musicians भी अगर वहाँ पे हैं, तो वो माहौल कैसा है? How does it work out there?
I think you just have to make a connection with the person.
Nice.
You know, like on just a real human level. Like we were actually laughing about this recently. We were actually telling people about our first session. And
Tell us about it.
yeah, and so basically, like he hadn't written with anyone else before. I was his first songwriting session, and I went and I was asking him like a lot of questions.
Interviewing him basically.
Yeah, you know, I was like, oh, like tell me about your life, like, and he's like, why are you asking me so many personal questions? And I was like, oh,
What did he say? Can you spill some beans here?
see, that's private. But it's like a therapy session, you know. You build that like trust with the artist, and I was like, no, it's because I really want to get to know you, so we can make a song that really feels like you.
How lovely.
Because the artist is gonna sing it for yours, right? So like you should relate to it on some level. So I always try to like make it as if it comes from them.
मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि आप बहुत जल्द करण जौहर के लिए भी लिखने वाले हो? ऐसे मुझे वाइब आ रही है.
I would love to.
You're giving such beautiful filmy vibe. Genuinely, because I myself see कि मेरे से बड़ा फिल्मी कोई है नहीं. Natanya, I think you genuinely are that प्यारा सा filmy, you know. But have you been to any Bollywood parties? Have you?
No, actually. Maybe
Somewhere inside or
inside something. Yeah, maybe.
maybe that is also on their list. But now coming down to your track, जहाँ पे finally जो मैंने आपको पहले पूछा before the camera on, you were writing at the age of 15. You were strumming the guitar, but your own voice we got to hear थोड़े time के बाद. Why did that happen? Why did you just become the guitar vocals खुद के starting say? What was that decision that you would now start getting into your singing?
I think, you know, so when I first finished college, I just did independent EP. I put it out because that was just the only thing.
I think which you directed as well.
Yeah, which you're just kind of like, it was just a thing to do, you know. And I did that, and it was cool. But then when I started writing for other artists, I felt this sudden thing. I was like, oh, like this is amazing. Like I get to be part of someone's story and someone's journey. And I just like really got into it. So I started like just really thriving in that. So it didn't feel like I was missing anything. And then I signed my first publishing deal last year with Rock Nation, which was amazing.
Woo.
And the founder, one of the founders, Tai Tai, he was starting a South Asian record label at the same time.
Wow, yeah.
And that was just the universe, you know, aligning.
Amazing.
And he said, do you want to be an artist? And I said, no.
You said no?
I said no. Because I was just so deep into that songwriting. I was thriving. I was like, no, I'm like really happy. And he was like, are you sure? I was like, yeah.
Wow.
And then
Such secret Santas coming to your life.
yeah. And then every time I would send him a demo, he'd be like, are you sure you don't want to sing this? Are you sure you don't want to sing this? And then actually Rolling Stone India had put out a press release, and they had said, oh, when is your next project coming? And I was doing a lot of stuff for brands and stuff. So I was like, oh, probably in September. I just made it up. And then he read that article and he was like, wait, like you didn't tell me you were putting out a project. I thought you didn't want to be an artist. Like, what is this project? And then we just had like the most inspiring conversation about legacy and footprint in music. And he said, why don't you do it? And I was like, okay, let's
Let's do it. यार नटानिया यहाँ पर मौजूद है और ऐसा कैसे ना हो कि मैं पहले नौटंकी के बारे में कुछ जानूं और यहाँ पे आई एम तो फुल नौटंकी बात, लेकिन इस गाने को हम सुनने वाले अनप्लग आपके अंदाज में. But Natanya, tell me something on the track. How did that really beautiful begin? And come on, Katrina has it in her entire brand and it is looking as if really meant for that. Yeah. So did you get to speak to her? How did even that happen?
So I wrote the song in October.
That's it.
It was 3 a.m. I just picked up my guitar and I
I love it.
started writing, and then I went to the studio the next day and I finished it with a bunch of my friends.
Yeah.
And I wanted to write it because Nautanki to me is the celebration of a broken heart,
Wow.
which I think no one celebrates,
deep.
right? Like, but I think like when you have a broken heart, you kind of can wear it like a badge of honor and being like, wait, like I showed up, I loved, I was able to like open up to somebody.
Wow.
And isn't that like something to celebrate?
Oh, yeah.
So like let your heart be Nautanki, you know? That was
Amazing.
That was the thought behind it.
तानिया काफी डीप और काफी फिलोसफिकल भी है, मतलब वाओ, काफी सारे आपके पहलू मुझे समझ में आ रहे हैं. And that's really amazing. When's your birthday?
October 29th. I'm a Scorpio.
I just Scorpio. Just oh, इसी बात पे हो जाए. Can we just hear it out? Unplugged live right now.
Okay.
तुझ पे मैं अटकी अटकी रहे, ये भटकी भटकी दिल तेरे पीछे भागे, पीछे तेरे ये क्यों, दिल मारे झटके झटके सबसे, तू हटके हटके दिल तेरे पीछे भागे, तेरे है क्यों.
Oh, see, I wanted more. Amazing. And of course, we have Gulzar as well. It just dropped out, and I'm so glad you're here now with me talking about that as well. Yeah, I love the video.
Thank you.
I just can't take my eyes off it, and the way it is done so beautifully. In fact, both your videos, whenever I've seen that color, there's so much. Do you also
Vibrant.
It's yeah, that vibrance is the right word here. So do you also put your brains to it? Yeah, it should
Yeah.
look little.
Yeah, so for Gulzar, I like really wanted it to be in Rajasthan. I kept seeing like the arches, the fields, the colors. And then I wanted it, you know, I wanted the idea to be that the girl gets impatient and she just proposes.
Yeah.
Because why not? You know? It's like, I'm going to go after what I want.
Amazing.
So I loved like just, I love being a little creative with music videos and just giving the start ideas and then having, you know, someone execute them. But it's so much fun.
How long did it take to make that video?
It took 1 day.
Oh, only?
Yeah, we shot it for 1 day, but it was so cold. It was in January. I had 104 fever shooting it.
Doesn't look like.
It was literally like I would be sitting and I'd be like, and then they'd be like, action. I'd be like,
Whoa.
Yeah.
See, I think जिन्होंने आपको बोला था ना artist बनना है, I think you saw that. कहते हैं ना तीसरी आंखें होती हैं, and I genuinely.
and Gulzar was the first song I ever wrote for the artist project.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing. So Gulzar definitely is vibing. Spotify हो कहीं पे मैं खुद vibe कर रही हूँ. I just told you that so many of my friends have been, the people who commented on your Insta, you know, on that entire beautiful post that you put out. So the girl going out and proposing, I just love that Zinda Dilli in you.
Yeah.
So वो गाना भी अभी थोड़ा हो जाए. Can we just,
Yeah.
can we just go all out? Come on.
दिल विच रोला पाके किथे तू चलावे, सुरमा पुकारे चलिया चलिया चलिया, दिल विच शोला पाके किथे तू चलावे, चूड़िया चमकावा चलिया चलिया चलिया.
Wow, I'm just okay. Tell you one thing, honestly, there's so many actors in this universe. एक है कोई ऐसा actor जिसके लिए you feel you want to play back. You want some options?
Yeah.
Okay, चलो Bollywood से शुरू करते हैं. But you have to choose one.
Okay.
No diplomat.
Okay.
Alia, Katrina, Kiara Advani, Priyanka Chopra.
I would maybe say Alia because I think my voice would fit her the most. Or maybe even, I would say Alia or Kiara. Like just vocal wise,
Duet.
it would fit. It would fit the most. But I mean, I would love to do it. I would also love to do it for a Shah Rukh song. Or Shah Rukh song.
Manson. That no other actor. You can only be there. Just imagine.
Yeah, he could just vibe to the female song.
That would be amazing. Wow, so you love Shah Rukh.
I love Shah Rukh.
Do you know that step?
Of course.
Can we do it together?
Yeah.
Amazing. Wow, yeah. तो फिल्मी बातें हो रही हैं, शाहरुख की भी बातें हो रही हैं. But if I have to ask you, who's your latest crush in Bollywood, Tollywood, Hollywood?
I don't have a crush.
Liar. I can't say that's not liar. Come on. So, South industry. Natania, tell me honestly, कि मैं बहुत time से मैं politics से I try to bring out these किस्सा. There's so much happening in the South. And
Yeah.
trust me, the music, whether I have, I just recently I'm vibing to this film, Rhythm. It has beautiful music. And it's like Khushi again, beautiful music with Vijay Deverakonda is there. So any collab with the South industry have you thought? Of Pushpa 2, look at the craze of anytime have you thought getting into a South movie?
I would love to. I mean, I love that song. You know that song?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been like obsessed with it. Like, but yeah, I mean, I'm always so open to collaborating with like different things. Like, I always want to do something I haven't done before.
Love.
So I would be so open. And I think like the phonetic and the way their music is just so beautiful and so rhythmic at the same time.
Wow.
But I would love to do that.
So anybody in the universe is watching and they're just making something and they want a new fresh avaz, and the best part is you can write, so you can write, they can translate it into whichever language they want.
Yeah.
Wow. Any latest, have you seen Pushpa 2?
No, I've heard about it though. I really want to go watch it.
Chukega nahi time.
Yeah.
So are you into all that filmy movies which get hype? Yeah, you watch your own movies according to your
Yeah. Own movies, own timeline. I'm just like, I'm definitely going to watch some like very silly, romantic
Rom-com.
Christmas movies for sure. But I'm always like, I feel like I'm always working, so I never watch. Like I'll watch stuff mostly on planes.
Okay, that's the only time that you're getting.
Yeah.
So you need to often travel to India.
Yes, exactly. Which I'm doing, so it's perfect. 23 hours, 4-5 movies.
Wow. So I'm going to ask you this quick last questions that are going to be the last thing that you've done so far.
Okay.
The last text or the message that you sent someone before you came here. Who was that?
Ooh. I think it was my friend Subi, who's on Gulzar with me. We just arrived to Jodhpur. I mean, we just arrived Delhi together. So I was just making sure she like reached the house. Yeah.
And the last expensive gift that you bought for yourself.
I bought these really cool Indian outfits.
Wow.
And they had all these like Hindi like writing on it and these like gems and stuff. It was really cool. So I treated myself for that.
And the last pic you took, Abiyat Subah. Can we see that?
Yeah, I don't. Yeah,
Can we? See, all these things happen only in Hollywood. Say okay.
see what I took.
We'll show it to the camera also.
Okay.
So sweet, yeah. अच्छा तो सोचो और लास्ट क्या पूछूं मैं आपसे?
Okay.
Yeah.
I just had a dosa
My next question was that only.
with my manager Krati, and we both hadn't tried Beni dosa, and we just had it, and it was amazing. And it was so good. Yeah, and I took like literally like 5 pictures of the same thing.
So in Delhi, which is your go-to place for other than having food, are your friends taking you guys around? Like
I need to go now. I haven't
Done.
gone. Yeah, if you have any suggestions, I will gladly take.
I think we'll do that for sure. Street पे चले जाओ वहाँ पे इतनी
Done.
सही जगह है.
Done.
और बाकी जो अंदर की कुछ और खास जगह है.
I want to get some chole.
छोले कुलचे right?
Yeah.
I'm hungry. Yeah, we can do that. Excellent. So what's next coming up from Natania?
A lot.
Any like one pre-bus you gave me the lachak. I can't wait to listen to that. Honestly, it already making me keen. Yeah, lachak mein gaati we also vibe with it. Genuinely.
I mean, I have a collaboration coming out in January
Wow.
that I can't mention, but I'm so excited.
You're not here.
It's so soon. It's
So
like so soon.
Sure.
Yeah, it's gonna.
We have to meet again for that.
Yeah, like ring in New Year's and you'll know it.
And I hope I get to know the first time we reveal it
Yes.
out in Bollywood.
I'm gonna DM you and I'm gonna be like, it's coming out.
I am that.
Done.
Wow, यार तो हमारे साथ इतनी सारी बातें होगी. But other than these two tracks, is there any Bollywood song that is close to your heart? और एक performance कोई ऐसे गाने के हो जाए. It can be a retro, it can be latest. Any song that you vibe and it is there in your headphones.
Okay, so I've been like obsessed with the song Ranjan.
Hi, can you sing that for me? One line. Come on.
ऐसे ना जाओ पिया ऐसे ना चाहो पिया. I remember those. Da 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 da.
Wow, so that was Natania. This is Bollywood के किस्से और आपको बड़े प्यार से लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब तो करना है ही और इनके सारे गाने सुनते जाना है, देखते जाना है एंड जो जैन में आ रहा है और उसके बाद जो चीजें आ रही है वो भी नटानिया हमें जरूर बताएगी ऑन बॉलीवुड के किस्से. थैंक यू सो मच, मजा आ गया.
Thank you. This was so fun.
फीवर FM पर बॉलीवुड के किस्से.